Hi sweet friends! Today Luca and I wanted to show you something really special. Okay guys, here it is. This is my dream. Our tropical area or beach is finally ready for you guys to see. We've been still working on it, but ta-da! Oh, the sun just came out. Thank you. It's like a ray of heaven. Ta-da! This is our beautiful beach area. I just love the tropical area, especially from growing up in Wisconsin. So any beach I can have in my heart is the best thing ever and close by. So Sebastian and our sweet helper Caleb have worked all summer on this. This used to be a patch of weeds. I think we have some pictures, and now it's a beautiful area. Like I said, we're still working on it, but let me show you what's all going on. So I'm walking on the gravel with my bare feet, so it's a little painful. Here is some of the nasturtium flowers that we ripped out of our garden and put here. We're still debating if we're gonna leave them or not because they're just massive and gorgeous in the garden. Of course, when you transplant them, you know, they kind of flop. So really we're seeing the underneath right here. So let's see if we can flip them. But they're so pretty with their flowers. They look really tropical. Here we put some white stones that we had. You can see our regular gray. These are just beautiful white stones. I did see when we were on vacation somewhere, they had bags of seashells. So I originally thought of doing that. And then I thought, well, I can always put them on top if we get them. But this is so pretty, I might just leave it, but we'll see. These were some beautiful purplish pink daylilies that the deer have been chomping on. Ta-da! Here is the gorgeous sandy area. The leaves are kind of blowing in, and we have some volunteer corn sprouts. If you saw our garden tour video, you know why. It's the squirrels bringing in the deer's corn cobs. But here I got these two beautiful beach chairs from Lowe's. Sebastian likes things more in neutral, and I just thought they looked so beachy and fun, so I went with a little color, but he likes them too now. Here we have our hibiscus from Proven Winners. You guys, this has been, you can see our eggs we collected this morning. The most beautiful thing ever. I absolutely love it. I can't remember if this is ballet slippers or which one, but I can't wait for it just to get bigger and bigger because the blooms are gorgeous. So pretty. Here we just got a bird bath, like 2 pieces from Lowe's. Let's see if I can step in here. And we're gonna try to make a cheap fountain out of it. Sebastian said you can buy, I have my drink he gave me, pumpkin spice drink, like a little thing from Amazon that goes in here. I just try to wash it out and it sat, so that's why that's just dirty in there. We gotta clean it, but you can get like a little solar powered something that spouts water. So we're gonna try that and just see if we can make like a little cheap fountain. But when it's clean, it's beautiful. It's just a nice, you know, element of cement and different structure. Right behind here we have our fake rock, which we're trying to make pretty and cover up. That's actually our well pump. So we're gonna use it to our advantage and just we're putting elephant's ear around it, some beautiful tropical plants. And then this is Proven Winners Vertigo Panaceum. Some more daylilies. These are the orange smoothie from Proven Winners that I don't like screaming yellow or orange daylilies, but they're like a pretty soft orange, so I like that. And then I stuck a really pretty clearance clearance palm back here, and it's doing really well. And if I back up, you can see these are the other lights that Sebastian put in. We got to clean that area up right here. This is going to be our fun new project. I won't share what it is yet, but we'll share that soon what that's going to be. But here's our lights. Oh, they are just so beautiful. You can see our chickens are back here, and someone actually asked us, oh no, is it going to be smelly? Well, chickens usually don't smell. they're talking. They usually don't smell if they're fed really good quality food, if their conditions are right, their bed area. So ours usually don't smell. Maybe sometimes if we need to add more wood chips to the run or different stuff, but I actually love it because they're close by, and it's like I have my friends here in my beach. It's so fun. So anyway, there's the lights. I'm trying to see if I can get a little bit of them in the shade for you to see. I can put a night picture up maybe, but they're so magical. And then of course here is the sand. I love it, guys. Just like the feeling you can come out, put your feet in the sand. And we were working on this summer since we had our chickens. They were smaller, we didn't go really anywhere, and we usually go to the beach in the summer. So since we didn't go anywhere, there you can see the lights. It was actually a really big blessing because we didn't go to the beach. We just had this here. So for my birthday, we spent time out here for vacation, and it's just fun. When you can't go to the beach or you just want to be close to it, you have sand, and it's good for grounding, it's good for healing the heart and soul, and just soothes the soul. So it's been such a sweet blessing. But the sand, we actually got a few bags from Lowe's. That's an expensive way to go. It was finer and softer, but then Sebastian got several pickup loads, and he knows the details, but it wasn't very expensive that way. We just had to, shovel it out. Caleb, our sweet helper, and Sebastian worked on that and getting this all filled up with sand. So that's super fun. We still can add some more. It's not really thick, but it covers it, so it's perfect. Here's my hammock. Oh, I love it. This was from Lowe's as well, and I like it because I grew up with hammocks that have, let's see if I can show you, that rope on the bottom. Luca just came out to show me he's picking some nasturtium for Nana. But anyway, so I grew up with the kind that had rope, and it can kind of pull and be uncomfortable. Oh, I just see that I had that looped wrong. It's looped in there. But anyway, this has a cover and a pillow, and it is so comfortable. It's almost like a blanket. I just love it. So right here we have some more of the Proven Winners daylilies. We have another clearance palm. We're still working on all the landscape here. And here you can see we have a electrical wire and a well wire that we have to trench. We're just waiting on getting that trenched. And then we have some canna lilies that someone gave us, some sweet family members. And then we have more back here, and we're working all of this, reworking it kind of where our pathways go and where the sand goes and rocks that my parents gave me. So we're still working on this part to make it really beautiful. But everything is always, a work in progress. And we're learning just baby steps at a time, and it's okay if it's not completely finished. And even to be able to show you guys, we wanted to show you just as far as we've come. So we just absolutely love it. It's just such a sweet spot for the soul. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed getting to see my special space and my tropical area. It's just so fun to be able to show you guys how far we've gone, and you think you're always behind, but when you look at pictures and see that it was just a patch of weeds, that it's such a blessing how much has been done. So I'm so grateful for it. I love it. I come out here all the time just to be in the sand and the sun, and it's a really good mix. You can see up here is a huge oak tree. So it's a really good mix of full sun up here in the front, and then shade back there, kind of for whoever wants sun and shade. So thank you guys so much. Enjoy, and we appreciate you guys. Bye.